Morning everyone. Last time we saw how we can read and write db bits value, that is true, false, 0, 1 from Python, right, using Python snap 7 library. In this video we will be going to watch how we can read and write integer values from Python. We will be modifying these db values and at the same time reading them in Python with the help of snap 7 library. Now I will be just showing you my Python code. Here I have read integer function defined. These functions takes 4 arguments. Here PLC, which is our client, db number which we want to read, and start, that is the offset which we call in the db. Okay, that is for example 22, and size means, for example, an integer consumes 2 bytes, a double integer consumes 4 bytes. So here we will be reading 2 bytes only. Okay, so in these functions I have defined PLC which will read db number and starting by offset number of the integer. Okay, I called, there is also a write integer db which will be writing the db number and that offset value, and it will modify that value to the user defined inputs, which I will be showing you. So this is my Python code, and when I will run this Python code, run Python file in terminal. So you can see the current value is 253 and 2. Here you can see the current value is 253 and 2. I will just modify this value to 98965. Okay, and here you can see, here we will be writing the db offset 24, this value, to the user defined value. So we have modified it to 965. Now from Python we will modify that value to 842 and hit enter. After entering this, the db value should be modified. We will go in Python PLC and we can check here that the db value of 24 is modified to the value which we defined in Python. Now for example, if you want to read, for example, the fourth integer, that is here number 4, that is offset is 30. What we need to do is just copy paste this line, and here the start value we can change this to offset number 30. Okay, and after changing it we can read that value. Now suppose you also want to write the 32 value also. For example, here just we need to do our just copy paste this, copy paste, and after that modify that to 32. Okay, offset value is changed, right? Now hit here and with capital Q, the Python code will stop. Control L to clear the terminal. Now double right click here and run again the Python file in terminal. Now we can see that we can read the 30 offset value also. That is, what is 30 value is 5. Let's modify here to something like 600. Okay, now and here we have to also modify the 32 value. Okay, see, we can see here that 32 value is 6. We will modify it to 700. Okay, and hit enter. After entering 7, see, now the value should be 70, and this value which we read is 600, which was previously 5. So we can read the integer value of db in Python. At the same time we can also write the db integer value from Python in PLC. That was the quick demonstration about how we can use Python to read and write integer values in PLC. Thank you.